Hello, this is Dr. Vishwajitam Gaikwad, working as an assistant professor in Department of Physics, Amalakchand Mahavidyalaya, Yavatmal. I am going to present my recent research findings on lead-free single double perovskite composite towards room temperature multiferrocity. This is the overview of my presentation. Basically, multiferroics are the materials which possesses more than one primary ferroic order parameters, and primary ferroic order parameters are ferromagnetism, ferroelectricity, ferroelasticity, and ferrotoroidicity. These multiferroics materials are highly desirable because they show potential applicability in spin filters, spintronics, magnetic storage, data storage, and for magnetic field sensors. Basically, there are two types of multiferroics, type 1 and type 2 type of multiferroics. Mostly the single phase multiferroics comes under this category, but the single phase multiferroics are associated with certain limitations, and to overcome from these limitations we need to go for the composites. And the composites are the materials, multi-phase materials composed of two or more phases, and these two or more phases are separated by the interface. Basically, on the basis of preparation techniques, these composites are classified into two broad categories: laminated and particulate composites. In particulate composite, the particles of one phase of material is embedded in the matrix of other phase. In laminated type of composite, the one phase laminated to over phase in layer by layer. And the importance of composite is basically based on the interface effect and role of interface. Some spin charge reconstruction as well as the electronic properties can be modified at the interface, and these modification and these phenomena are responsible for the enhancement in the properties, and it modulate the material property because interface can modulate the material properties. So in view of search of the equiprimitive material, we find that the BTO is well-known ferroelectric material. BTO has tetragonal structure, it has large piezoelectricity, and its ferroelectric transition is well above the room temperature. To induce the magnetism in BTO, we find that the LNMO is quite interesting material with giant dielectric tunability, notable relaxation behavior. It shows ferromagnetic in nature with Curie temperature is close to the room temperature, and it has a large magnetocapacitance and magneto-resistance. So we can expect the mutual effect by combining BTO and LNMO, and the inclusion of small percentage of LNMO would induce magnetism in BTO, and BTO may insulate the LNMO or may enhance the resistivity of magnetic phase. Thus we can expect the reduction in dielectric losses associated with the LNMO. So we have planned to prepare the composite, and by combining the BTO and LNMO, we have synthesize BTO by simple solid state route and LNMO by Sol-Gel technique, and after preparation of each powder, each phase, then these both the phases mixed in appropriate proportion, and we have incorporated only 10% LNMO in BTO and form 90-10 composites, and these composite powders were pressed into pallet and finally sintered at 1200 degree for 8 hours. So this is X-ray diffraction pattern. This X-ray diffraction studies. So X-ray diffraction pattern of composite peaks. It shows both the peaks of the compounds. BTO and LNMO retain their respective structure and phase in composite. And we extracted the lattice parameters from the X-ray diffraction pattern, and we found that the lattice parameter of BTO was 3.99 angstrom, and we found that the lattice parameters of composite is comparable with BTO. It means that there is no structural modulation after combining the individual phases of BTO and LNMO to form the composites. Raman spectra of composites possesses the modes originated from both the phases. No new mode is detected. This means that there is no structural modulation after mixing of the individual phases. This is the FSM image of composite palette composed of rectangular grains which grown layer by layer with high compactness. The change in microstructure is observed. For the composite, it is due to the fact that the thermal expansion coefficient is different for both the phases BTO and LNMO, and due to the different grain growth rate for each phases, we found the different microstructure for BTO LNMO composites. Chemical composition of composite shows the chemical composition of composite shows the elements originated from both the phases, and the ratio of component phases that is ratio of the BTO and LNMO phases in composite was found to be 9:1. This ratio or this composition is matches with the initial composition taken for the preparation of composites. And the magnetic this is the elemental mapping, and EDS mapping shows the homogeneous distribution of elements arises from both the phases in composites, and it ensures the homogeneity and expected stoichiometry of elements sustained in the composite. This is the magnetic studies for composite BTO LNMO composite sample show ferromagnetic in nature, and the ferromagnetic behavior comes from the LNMO. It concludes that the magnetic property of LNMO has retained in the composite. Temperature variation of magnetization curve of composite is similar to LNMO, and two transitions were observed, that is TC1 and TC2, and this TC1 is corresponds to super exchange interaction of Ni3 plus OMN3 plus super exchange pair, and this TC2 is transition from ferromagnetic to paramagnetic phase, and this is due to the super exchange interaction of Ni2 plus O2 minus and Mn4 plus super exchange pairs. Both the transitions are observed in composite also. Thus the magnetic properties, that is magnetic properties and magnetism is induced in BTO matrix by adding small percentage of LNMO. Now we have studied the ferroelectric behavior of composites at room temperature, and composite samples show ferroelectric behavior similar to BTO with significant remnant polarization and coercivity, and we found the low leakage current at room temperature for composites. Frequency dependent dielectric studies was carried out at room temperature, and frequency dependent dielectric constant curve at room temperature indicates the BTO has low dispersion and the loss low dispersion, and the composites also shows the same behavior as that of BTO, and the loss is high due in composite because the certain defects are associated with the interface when we combine both the phases and sintered them at high temperature. And this is the temperature dependent dielectric constant and law studies at various frequency. BTO shows a sharp transition around 120 degree, that is the transition from ferroelectric to paraelectric phase, from tetragonal to cubic structure. The same transition was observed for 9010 composites at different frequency. It means that same behavior is observed for composite. It means that BTO retained their ferroelectric properties and their transition in composites, so no degradation of ferroelectric properties was found for the composite. Thus we can conclude that 9010 composites show both the behaviors, ferroelectric and ferromagnetic behavior nearby room temperature. It means that this sample can be used as room temperature multiferroics. By structural studies we found both the phases in proper ratio that we have taken initial composition, and Raman spectra inferred there is no structural modulation after adding these phases. No secondary phases was found, and from FE's same studies we found the different nanostructure and well compact macrostructure due to different, and we found the change in microstructure because of the difference in thermal expansion coefficient as well as different grain growth. And BTO and LNMO composite sample was found to be ferromagnetic in nature, and from ZFC curve we found large irreversibility than LNMO phase, and 9010 composite shows similar ferroelectric behavior similar to BTO, and the composite sample shows significant dielectric constant with low loss, and we have found the ferroelectric transition temperature at 120 degree, that is analogous to BTO. So this was an attempt to introduce the magnetic and ferroelectric order simultaneously by incorporating the small percentage of LNMO in BTO matrix. Thank you.